Today's video, it is incredibly exciting and emotional and just all of the magic. Today, you read that right. I am going to be unboxing Nails by Nicole J Collection brushes. Since the very first time Beautiful Nailed by Envy, my sister Envy, showed me these brushes, I was shook. Nicole is such a shining light in the nail community, and I have just had my eyes on her brushes for quite some time, but I've never been able to get any. Until today, y'all! Oh my gosh. So first of all, this is her beautiful business cards. So this is going to have all of the information so that you guys can run over Nails by Nicole J LLC.com. You guys can run on over and get yourself these no haircut needed brushes. These are all the socials. I can't first of all, Nicole is insanely talented. She has been a nail tech in the industry for years, and she took all of that knowledge and made these gorgeous jaw-dropping brushes. So we are going to get into 3 out of her collection, but y'all, I gotta get the whole collection. So I thought this was so beautiful, this postcard, but never in my wildest dreams did I think there was going to be a handwritten message, y'all. And there was. So it says, "Dear Raven, thank you so much for your purchase. I hope you love my brushes just as much as I do. Now go create your magic and don't forget to tag me, Nicole J." First of all, Nicole, your writing is just as beautiful as your art. Oh my goodness, you could tell a lot by somebody's writing, just saying. But the packaging, I am so in love. One of Nicole's favorite colors is purple, and these brushes have the most darling kiss, an ombre kiss on the handle. Now these handles, they pop off, y'all, to turn into the cap of the brush. It's the innovation for me. When they say support local business, support small business, this is a small, big business. I see huge things in store for Nicole. She's already been nominated for the Reader's Choice. There's so many bright things in this queen's future already. Be shining. Y'all, these brushes, I have been waiting. Now, my camera had trouble focusing because that was so fine. Fine, like wine. I can't get over, no plucking needed. They are so gorgeous. So this was the 3-piece striper bundle that came with let me just read these out to you. The detailer, we've got the mini striper, and then the striper. So I am most definitely going to be getting the other brushes for her collection. But as you guys know, me and my partner are in store for a very large move. That is in the end of April. So I have been on a large shopping ban. But the more and more that I do character art, I just realize that I need brushes to do the fine details, and so that I can truly transcend and strengthen my nail art. So no better brushes to continue this journey than these. And I've got to say, she does not do gifts unless you do an order of $85. And she totally blessed me with this holder that you see. It's like a brush holder I'm blocking it with my hand right now, but I was just so overwhelmed. I've been going through a really hard time, and I will get into that in another video, but our nail sisters are just so uplifting and so amazing, and Nicole is one of those amazing queens. So please make sure, I'm going to leave all of the information for her website, for her socials, so that you run on over and you can't miss out. She is so talented, such an amazing shining light, and you've got to go check her out. So please run over to her website. And I'm also going to do a part 2 of this video where I am testing out the brushes. So please make sure you have your notification bells on so you don't miss me playing with these stunning brushes. Thank you, Nicole. Thank you so much. I am in love with these and I cannot wait to get more. My nail family, my beautiful charm squad, thank you for coming in, spending a part of your day with me, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Now this Nails by Nicole J collection, this is her Instagram, so you guys can run over and support her. You know, queens supporting queens, y'all. And make sure to head over and check out her website that's in the description box below. I'm so excited, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Mwah! And make sure to do all things with love. See you in the next one.